This video will show you how to set up manual focus on the Sony ZV-1F. If you're new to Sony, it may be confusing as to how to do this. First of all, when you're set to video and you press the function button, you can set your focus mode here. You can set that to manual focus, but from here you will see that there are no controls on the camera that configure the focus. You can see that it's out of focus here. So this needs to be configured. If you press the menu button and go down to setup and then go to operation customize, you can set custom key settings for both photo mode and video. We're going to do this for video. Here it will show you all the buttons that can be configured. I'm going to set this to 3, which is currently set to self-timer. I'm going to select that. I'll back out here. We'll go here to get to focus. And within this first menu, we will set it to set focus. That's all we need to do, so now we can back out. And now when I press the left button, we will enter manual focus mode. It will automatically dismiss itself, or you can exit out of it. But to use it, you will activate it, and then you will use the dial ring beside the display to adjust it. That's all there is to it. There are other buttons you can set that to, of course. I just chose the left button. Hope this was helpful. Thank you.